Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial from Tech for All. This is Saifuddin Ghanizadeh. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable the Windows 11 transparent taskbar. Let's start. First of all, open Microsoft Store. You have two applications to make the taskbar transparent. The first one is Translucent TaskBar and the second one is NiceTaskBar. I will cover both of these applications in this video. First, let's download the Translucent TaskBar. Search for Translucent TaskBar and click on the install button to install it. Wait until the application is downloaded. After the application is downloaded, click on the open button and click on the continue button. Here you can see guys that the taskbar is now transparent. I can see the background of my windows. The application icon will be in the notification area. Click on it to go to the advanced settings. You can modify the transparency of the taskbar in various methods. If you are in the desktop and all of the applications are minimized, what should be the taskbar transparency? The taskbar transparency should be, for example, 𝐼𝐢𝐃. You can see that the taskbar transparency has changed. Click on the application icon. The next setting is visible window, which means that if a window is visible or restored down or maximized, what should be the transparency of the taskbar? Let's enable it first. Now I want to change the visible window transparency to, for example, 𝐼𝐲𝐽𝐼. Now, whenever I open a new window, for example, let's open the Windows Explorer, you can see that the transparency of the taskbar is changed. When I close it and go back to the desktop, you can see that the transparency is changed again. Click on the application icon and what should be the transparency of the taskbar if the window is maximized? Let's enable it first. And then I will change it to, for example, clear. Whenever I maximize a window, the transparency of taskbar should be clear. Let's check. I have opened a window. The transparency has changed. Now, if I maximize the Windows Explorer, you can see that the transparency of the taskbar is changed to clear. Now, when I close it and go back to the desktop, the transparency is changed again to 𝐼𝐲𝐃. You can do the same and search for the settings of, for example, when start menu is opened, when a task view is opened, or when battery saver is turned on, what should it do? Click on the advanced menu, and now if you want to restore all the settings, just select the return to default settings and it will restore all the settings. If you don't want the application icon to be in the notification area, go to the settings and then hide tray icon. The icon will be hidden from the tray. Here it says that this change is temporary and will be lost the next time Translucent TaskBar is started. It's okay. I want to hide the notification icon only for now. Click yes. Point to be noted that you need to enable this option. Click on the application icon and select Open at Boot. It will help the application to start up automatically if you restart your computer. Now, let's exit from this application and go to the second application, which is NiceTaskBar. Open Microsoft Store and search for NiceTaskBar application. As I have already downloaded the application, I will open it directly. Whenever you open this application, you can see that the taskbar is automatically transparent now. You can also change the settings. Just click on the application icon in the system tray, right click on it and select options. From the options, you can change the language of the application. You can also set it to auto start on the system startup, and you can enable and disable it. Another good point of this application is that you can change the transparency color of the taskbar. As you can see now, it is changed to almost red color. Let me change it to blue. Click on the color icon and then click on more colors and then click on define custom colors. You can define your custom color from here. For example, let's match the Windows 11 color and then press on OK button. You can see that now the transparency of the taskbar is changed almost to blue. Let's change it, for example, to yellow. Select the yellow. It will be changed. And that's all for today, guys. If you need any help, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you very soon with another application. Till then, have a nice time.